Have you ever met a parrot who thinks he's a rock star but acts like a sugar rush toddler? Meet Bandit, a vibrant, unpredictable whirlwind of feathers, chaos, and pure love. He didn't just fly into our lives, he stormed in. Since that day, peace flew out the window, but so did boredom. When we first met him, Bandit was just 8 weeks old, a tiny puffball with curious eyes and the kind of chubby cheeks that make your heart melt. We were seasoned bird owners, used to calm, well-mannered companions. But Bandit, he was a whole new chapter. From the very first moment, he made it clear the house and everyone in it now belonged to him. Turn on a faucet, he'd be there. Open a door, whoosh, he'd zoom past, knocking over towels like it was part of his mission. If you dared to take a shower alone, forget it. He'd land on the edge of the stall, flapping his wings like a tiny, wet guardian angel. And sometimes he'd even join you. Not out of mischief, just to be close. Because Bandit doesn't follow you like a pet, he shadows you like a soulmate. There's no such thing as alone time with Bandit. And silence? Not a chance. If you ignore him, he doesn't sulk, he performs. He loops through the air like a feathered stunt pilot, landing on your head, shoulder, and back again until you finally give in with a laugh. All right, you little rascal, come here. He's a cuddle addict, a hug machine, a kissing bandit in the truest sense. He plays with socks, chases bowls, and turns any dull moment into a championship game of birdie hockey. He's not destructive, just explosively alive. We didn't expect this. Not the energy, not the volume, not the 24/7 sunshine, with occasional thunderstorms. It took some adjusting, but once we embraced his wild spirit, we never looked back. And then there are those quiet moments. After all the chaos, all the flying and playing, he collapses right on his back, beak in a pillow, eyes fluttering shut. You scoop him up and he nestles onto your shoulder like a baby, like he's saying, "I'm here, and I'm yours." He's a drama king too. If he feels ignored, he'll turn his back like he's offended, only to slowly and dramatically return with a nuzzle, soaking in your attention like a true performer. He knows what he wants, and he knows how to get it, with flair. Bandit is more than a pet. He's a force of nature, loud, excitable, stubborn, and utterly sincere. He's our winged firecracker, our tiny hurricane of happiness. He's our baby. And honestly, we can't imagine life without him. If Bandit's story made you smile, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming animal tales.